Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very interesting episode for you guys. In our mud ground today we have the beautiful farm animals, lovely wild animals, and we have adorable and big aquatic animals. So this video is a combination of some different type of animals. Watch till end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Here is the view of this mud ground and the lovely animals we have. You will learn a lot. You just need to watch this video till end. Let's start our video, and our first wild animal is a bear, which is a very big, muscular and big shape and size animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. The bear is clean. Bears are omnivore wild animals. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have the cute cow. The most beautiful animal of the world, cow, who gives milk. Cows are beautiful big farm animals. Let's watch him. Here we go. Cow. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a big whale. Whales are the biggest sea fishes, very heavy, very big, giant size. Let's watch him. Here we go. Whale. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a wild buffalo. Wild buffaloes are herbivore animals by diet. They have two big but very sharp horns on their head. Let's watch this wild buffalo. Here we go. Wild buffalo. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a fox. A little but very clever wild animal. Let's watch this fox. Here we go. Fox. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a shark. Another big sea fish, sea creature, ocean animal. Sharks are very dangerous fishes. Let's watch this shark. Here we go. Shark. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a lioness. Lioness is a big wildcat. By diet, lioness is a carnivore animal. Let's watch this lioness make her clean. Here we go, lioness. Let's check out the next one and the next one. We have octopus. Another big sea creature, not that big like dolphin, like sharks, like whales. Octopus has so many legs or hands. Let's wash him. Here we go. Octopus. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a beautiful big farm animal. Horse. That's a white, gray and black color beautiful horse. Horses are in so many different colors: black horse, white horse, brown horse, gray horse. Horses are very cute. Let's watch him. Here we go, horse. Let's check out the next one and the next one. We have a lobster. Lobster is another sea animal and a very delicious seafood as well. Let's wash him. Here we go, lobster. Let's check out the next one and the next one. We have a tiger. Another big wild cat, tigers. Very aggressive, very wily and very possessive. They are carnivore animals. Let's watch him. Here we go, tiger. Let's check out next one. And the next one we have is a goat. A very beautiful and a medium-sized farm animal. Goats are so cute. They have two big honks. Some goats have big honks. Some have small one. Let's watch this goat. Here we go, goat. And the next one we have is a dolphin. A very beautiful, very lovely and friendly big fish. Dolphins are so much friendly to humans. They are good learners and they like to spend their time with the humans. Let's watch this big sea fish. Here we go, dolphin. Let's check out the next one and the next one. We have another sea animal, seal. They are very slow on the land, but they are very fast when they are in sea. So seals come in sea animals. Let's wash him. Here we go. Seal. Let's check out the next one and the next one. Let's go for this big elephant. The biggest animal of the world right now is elephant. This is a newly added in our animals army. Elephants are wild animal and the bosses of the jungle. Let's watch him. Here we go. Elephant. Look like the real one, isn't it? Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have Cheetah. Another big wild cat. Cheetah. So much fast. Cheetahs are the fastest animal in the planet. Let's watch him. Here we go. Cheetah. The next one we have is a lion. Another big wildcat and the king of jungle. Look at this lion. He is very muscular and look like he is hungry. He needs food. So let's watch him. Here we go. This lion is clean instantly. Amazing. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a hammerfish. Just look at this spotted hammerfish. Look at his face. Another big sea fish. Let's watch him. Here we go. Hammerfish. Let's check out the next one. We have some animals behind. Let's go for this reindeer, a very beautiful wild animal who has a lots of horns on his head. And antelopes are very beautiful wild animals. Let's watch him. Here we go. Reindeer. And the next one we have a walrus, another sea animal we have in our mud ground who has two big teeth, very similar to seal. Let's watch this big sea animal. Here we go, walrus. Let's check out the next one. Let's go for the big one first. We have a rhinoceros. Another big wild animal with two honks on face, like Triceratops. If you remember a herbivore dinosaur, Triceratops have three honks on his face, and this Rhinoceros, he has two honks. So this is a little similarity of this big wild beast with the prehistoric dinosaurs. Rhinoceros are very big, muscular, and they are very aggressive animals. Let's watch him. Here we go. Rhinoceros. Let's check out the next one. We have now two beautiful farm animals. Let's go for this rabbit. Wow, so amazing and so cute. Rabbits are little but very funny and beautiful farm animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Rabbit. And in last, we have a beautiful chicken. Amazing, guys. Chickens can be found in so many lovely colors and a beautiful little farm animal. Let's watch her. Wow, here we go. This lovely chicken is clean and she looks so cute. So this is it from today. We have cleaned all the farm animals, wild animals and aquatic animals, and I hope you learned a lot with today's videos. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.